Hello students of Bardwan Model School and other school. This is the first class of this academic session, and also you know that according to the present situation we are staying at our home safely, and when you will follow the e-learning classes you will listen carefully. If you listen carefully you can easily understand each and every topic. So today I will start the first classes from social science in geography. You know that according to the last year it is the same. There are three subjects: history, civics and geography. And today I start the first chapter from geography. This is our environment. So in your book the heading also you have seen our environment. So environment is also a most important part in our life. Now from the starting of that chapter have a story. Each and every chapter also have this type of story. Now you will listen, you will relate this story with the chapter. Very interesting. After the long vacation, when Ravi started going to school again, he noticed that the only playground next to his school was dug up. The Ravi also look like your class. He also read, I think, class 7. After a long vacation, when Ravi going to school, he noticed that after the schools, they are having a playground. This playground dug off. So, due to that reason, Ravi getting upset. Why? Because playground is also very interesting or very enjoyable because students or children are playing. But if playground converted in some time, you have seen in this story also you will see the people said that a huge building with the many flats will be constructed there. The huge building are constructed in that playground. So obviously after the listening of this message, Ravi getting upset. Then Ravi was almost in tears because they are having no place for their playing. When he realized that the big playground with its soft grass, marigold and butterflies is gone forever. So why Ravi upset? Ravi feel that in that playground there was so many huge amount of grasses and different type of flowers or butterflies also. Sometimes we have found another insects also have there, but now it gone forever. It will not return. So that's why Ravi getting upset. He shared his feeling with his classmate. Ravi have told his classmate, you have listened, this playground are converted in a building. Then in the assembly the principal too sadly observed that, see how our environment is changing. Principal also told that you have seen that your surrounding areas environment, how it environment changing, the environment. Then what Ravi asked to the teacher in the classroom, yes sir, what is environment? Then teacher replied, whatever you see in your surroundings, whatever you have seen in your surroundings is called environment. So Ravi thought aloud, that means the school building, table, chair in the classroom, even the open field, the road, the garbage, my friends, all are parts of our environment. Ravi asked to the teacher. Then teacher replied, yes. So what is environment? In a single sentence, teacher explained to Ravi, in your surrounding, those you will find, it is a part of environment. Then Ravi asked, so that means this playground, this building, table, chair in the classroom and field, road, all are the part of environment. My friend also part of environment. Yes, teacher said, but wait. Obviously this is environment, but they are having two part. The environment, in our environment, some object created by nature, some object created by human beings. So, some object are created by nature. Like, for example, mountain. In our country also, lots of mountain. Last year also you have read this. One example is Himalayan mountain. Himalayan mountain range. So what is range also you know. The series of mountain or chain of mountain is called mountain range. The Himalayan mountain you know, they are not formed by human beings. Himalayan mountain formed by nature. And river also. Lots of river also have in our country as well as all over the world. Ganga is the most important river in our country. তাহলে river, mountain, this type of things, it is a physical feature of our earth. তাহলে these physical features created by nature. And not only that, mountain and river, trees, animals, others are made by peoples, for example, road, car, cloth, books. তাহলে some are created by nature like mountain, trees, animals and rivers. Some object created by human beings like building, cars, books, cloth, etc. Then after that, teacher have told that you can write or make a list those materials you can found in your environment which is created by nature and which is created by human beings. And during that time, one student of that class, Iqbal, he asked to the teacher, why environment is changing? The principal sir have told, the environment is changing. So why environment is changing? Then it all because of our need. Teacher replied, it's all because of our needs. And we are therefore modifying and at times even destroying our nature surrounding, the teacher replied. That environment are changing because people's need. But sometimes we can see that due to that changing, it create problems. It destroyed the environment. You know that deforestation, lots of trees are cutting down due to the developmental activity. It is also environment changing, and also due to that this deforestation, it have create pollution, or it is harmful for our environment. So up to that, I think you can get a concept about environment. In your surrounding, those materials, but those objects you can found, it is environment. And environment, some objects are created by nature, some objects created by human beings. And now, so you have seen also that day by day environment is changing. Environment is our basic life supporting system. This is the definition of environment. You will read it. Environment is our basic life supporting system. It provides the air we breathe, the water we drink, the food we eat, and the land where we live. The environment provides basic life supporting system. That's why people survive on the earth's surface. So which type of life supporting system provided by environment? This is environment provide us oxygen, air we breathe. Then drinking water. We drink water each and every day. So this water also given by environment. The food we eat. Obviously, food provided by environment. And we prepared some delicious food mixed with some ingredients. It is become more tasty. But the basic food provided by environment, and the land where we live, this is also a part of environment. The environment is very important, and this is the definition also have in your book. You will follow your NCERT book. They have also written that environment is a basic life supporting system. It provides air we breathe, water we drink, the food we eat, and the land where we live. So this is environment. Now, how do human beings modifying this natural environment? Obviously, I have told deforestation a term. The deforestation means cutting down the trees. Why people cutting down the trees? Due to set up building, due to make up road, bridge. For that reason, people cutting down the trees. It is deforestation. The car fumes pollute air. You know that air pollution is the most important and most harmful, and it is also threatening for us because the car fumes pollute the air. Water is collected in a pot, and food is served in vessels, and land is used to build factories. Through that way, environment are changing. Now, human beings makes car, mills, factories, and manufacture containers. This is how human beings modifying environment. So people or human beings, each and every day they are trying to modifying the environment. For that reason, environment are getting changing day by day, and sometime due to that modification, it's create problems like pollution, global warming, lots of problems you have seen, air pollution, then water pollution, soil pollution, temperature increases day by day, deforestation. All these happen due to the modification of our environment, which is done by human beings. So that's why from that chapter, what is environment, I think you can understand the actual definition of the environment and what is the what are the importance of environment in our life. If environment is polluted or destroyed day by day, it is also effect on human's life, and also we will feel that day by day, and after few years later also this type of environment also changing rapidly due to that reason. So student, up to this you will read in your home, and next classes we will discuss the remaining portion of that chapter. Thank you.